Hello everyone, my name is Emil Ramratpui and today I'm going to give presentation on community dynamic, integrative and disintegrative forces. First of all, let's start from the introduction. What is community dynamic? A community is a group whose members have something in common, such as self-government, geographic location, culture or heritage. A community can also refer to the physical location where such a group it can refer to a town, city, village or other area with a formal government whose residents share a nationality or culture, as in a group of town citizens decided to clean up the litter in their community. Dynamic means a self-motivated person, active person, energetic person known as dynamic for the development of the community. Community dynamic is a process of change and development within communities. Community dynamic who strive to bring about social change through community-based programming. In the next slide, we see that the significance of community dynamic. Community dynamic is here to work with community to think creatively and act strategically so that community can achieve their goal. Um, at the community dynamic, I believe that creative and sustainable program that work to raise the quality of living for those vulnerable and uh, vulnerable to poverty and exploitation. In the next slide, we see that dynamics in community level. Integrative forces. These integrative forces participate group and groupism. Functions of subgroup, minority, group center and empowerment. Now, I will focus on integrative forces and disintegrative forces. Integrative thinking is a field in applied science which was originated by Graham in 1986. He described integrative thinking as a process of integrating intuition, reason, and imagination, human mind with a view to developing a holistic continuum of strategy, tactic, action, review, and evaluation for addressing a problem in any field. A problem may be defined as a difference between what one has and what one wants. Integrative thinking, as described, may be learned by the applying the SOARA means satisfying, optimum, reliable result ahead. And uh, in the next slide, we see that this integrative forces, these integrative processes are therefore seen as positive, whereas people who fail to go through intensive disintegration may remain for the entire life in a state of primary integration. In the next slide, we see that the conclusion. Integration and disintegration of societies occur at three fundamental levels of social organization: micro, meso, and macro. Each level reveals its own operative, dynamic, and social culture formation, but easily important are the connection across levels. The mechanism of integration and its cover the disintegration at each level, but emphasize the connection of social structure across all three levels. Um, the goal is to develop a more robust connection of the fundamental dynamic by which societies are held together for a time, as well as the causing disintegration. As I will agree, this integration and integration operate all the three fundamental of human social organization. Another to view integration is a connection among the part of social universe and outline below of the three levels of social reality suggests what these parts are. Individual person, encounter of individual in face-to-face interaction, corporate unit organizing encounter, categoric units of person denoted as distinctive and evaluated in terms of their perceived distinctiveness that constrain what inspire in encounter. Institutional domain built up for corporate unit. Um, to conceptualize in integration, also disintegration. At the same time, it is necessary to recognize that these parts are connected horizontally within its level of social reality and vertically across the micro, meso, and macro level of the social universe, and disintegration occurs this horizontal and vertical linkage breakdown. Integrative process is a community bring people together, fostering unity, collaboration, and shared goals. And this process can include common values, social cohesion, and inclusive policies. This integrative process can create division and conflict, success, social inequality, discrimination, and political and polarization. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.